So how to make a knit finish. So I'm going to pick up all the stitches one by one, but only the first one, the first loop. Again, first loop, usually there are 6 or 7 stitches left at the end, so I'm going to pick them all up to my tentacles. And now I'm going to pull as you can see, a very lovely finish, but it's not all. I'm going back in to make it flat, and I even come back and go back in. And pull again, and I'm going to hide the yarn, and look, maybe I pulled too much, so nice, flat, neat, and we are done. Thank you.